Look at this piece of art. The boring customers section is replaced by a demonstrative bookshelf where each customer is a book. You may zoom them by the lens and dive into each case by clicking a particular logo. It is embedded into the website, and right now I'll show you how to transfer your art from a design system like Figma, for example, to a website builder like Webflow. We will do the following steps today. Create some art, export it from Figma to SVG HTML format, provided by the necessary HTML tags, URLs, and JS animations, host it on GitHub, implement it into your website. So once we've created something awesome, we should not export it as CSS, but as SVG. Then we paste it into HTML editor and see this. So this is actually a piece of HTML code aimed to show your art in the browser. You can even see what it will look like in browser emulator right in the HTML code editor. Now, in order to make it live code, you need to make the following things for this source code. First, basic HTML tags for the whole file. Second, a head part with meta and style. Third, reorder the generated by Figma text with divs and classes. Fourth, write a JavaScript code animating your art. Fifth, place URLs in clickable items of your art. Sounds hard? If you are not a front-end programmer, I recommend finding one and hiring him or her just for that particular task. Hand over your Figma generated file to responsible developer and don't forget to tell him or her what parts of your art should be clickable. In most cases, it will take just a couple of hours. As a result, you'll get a ready-to-go file. By the way, the link to my HTML file you may find under this video. GitHub. Most likely, your final HTML file will be so big that no web builder will allow it to embed as it is. That is why we need to host your art file somewhere. Let me recommend you free hosting on GitHub. First things first, you need to register an account on GitHub in case you didn't have one. This will allow you to update, manage your hosted files. Third, paste file name including extension. Fourth, paste file contents. Fifth, click Create Secret Gist. Sixth, click on Rob. Get the link. To paste it in an embed code component, you'll need one more small piece of jQuery code. Now, let's go to Webflow and add element. Choose embed, paste your jQuery code, and then paste into it your URL of GitHub hosted file. Save and close. Publish. Done. Once again, what we just did. We've exported your art from Figma to SVG for web file, wrapped it with div tags and added necessary JS programming to animate your art, hosted the final script on GitHub, implemented it in Webflow. Each and every useful link to Webflow, to GitHub instruction, to the live website where I've implemented that bookshelf, etc., you'll find in the description of this video. Yes, the source code of this example is in the description as well. And if it is helpful for you, please give a like and even subscribe. Take care.